Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. So in today's video I have very interesting video for you today as always. So currently you're listening the Donor P0-8, which actually is one of my favorite microphones right now. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna attach this Maono MA-100 microphone booster, which you can buy this. It's gonna be like 89 pounds, $89 in the States. Currently we cannot buy this in the UK. I don't know what is the reason, but you can purchase this from the States. Currently the price is about $89. This mic booster will give you 30 dB of clean gain. I already did a review. I did a couple of videos about this product. Highly recommend it. It's very good. It's gonna give you clean gain. So we'll see if there's any difference in the tone when we use this microphone booster from Maono MA-100. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna listen to this microphone. Currently the microphone is connected to my solid state logic. No post-processing, no. This is the raw audio from the microphone, from the box. Currently we are at 3 o'clock gain. We have plenty of gain. Not that you're gonna need to add a mic booster, but if you don't have a good audio interface, I think it's a good option to do that if your audio interface doesn't have a good gain. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna attach this bad boy, Maono MA-100, and we'll see if there's any changes of the tone. Currently I'm on a flat mode. We have a low cut filter, which actually I engaged right now. So this is the low cut filter. As you can hear, I kinda like and don't like my voice, but let me know what do you think. We're gonna test this low cut filter when we add the MA-100. Let's go back to flat mode. So this is the flat mode. This is actually the mode that I like. So next clip, you're gonna hear the Maono MA-100. Let's do that now. And now you're listening the Donor P0-8 with Maono MA-100 mic activator. So let me know in the comments below, checking the levels, and actually we have a pretty decent levels. Let me know in the comments down below if the voice of, actually the tone of the voice is changed. Pretty decent actually in my opinion. And also we have the levels on the SSO2 showing 12:30, 1 o'clock. Earlier we had the levels at 3 o'clock, so we have plenty of gain. And I can feel some difference in my voice. Just to double check if I'm unable to the 4K legacy button, but I didn't. So again, this is the flat mode. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to enable the low cut filter and let's see if there's any difference. This is the low cut filter, and as you can hear, actually I can hear some difference in my voice with the Maono MA-100. Doesn't sound very tinny now. The best thing to hear properly is make sure you wear headphones. But yeah, interesting, very interesting sound. Let's go back to flat mode. So this is the flat mode right now, and I think the voice now sounds a little bit more boomier for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's my headphones, but yeah, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you hear any difference of the tone? I kind of see some difference of the tone for some reason. And this is a good thing. This is a good thing. So not necessarily that you need the MA-100, but if you have a and not very good audio interface. I think it's a very good mic activator. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Donor P0-8 connected to solid state logic, and also we have attached the MA-100 from Maono mic activator, which you can purchase from Amazon USA, I think, or from the official website. Anyhow, let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I think this microphone sounds pretty decent. Now it's one of my favorite microphones at the moment, until next new microphone comes on the market. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, yeah, just hit me up in the comments, and subscribe, turn on the bell notification. It's free, come on. All right, I'll see you in the next video, and record something beautiful. I'll see you soon.